In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about C Standard Library. Hello everyone, I am Ajay and welcome to Skills Grow. The topics that we are going to discuss in this video are C library functions, advantages, library functions under different header files, TIME.H header file, STDIO.H header file, MATH.H header file. C library functions. What are C library functions? These are inbuilt functions in C programming. Each library function in C performs a specific operation. The function prototypes and declaration of library functions are given in various header files. These header files must be included in the program to use them. Example: for using printf library function, we need to include STDIO.H header file. Advantages: as these functions have gone through multiple rigorous testing, they work very efficiently. They are easy to use. Since these are library functions, a group of developers constantly make them better. Hence, they are optimized for performance. As all general functions like printing to a screen, calculating square root, etc. are already written in C standard library, so it avoids rewriting them in a program and thus saves a considerable development time. These functions are portable, that means it works same everywhere. C library functions under different header files. All library function prototypes and definitions are declared in different header files. Some of the header files are: STDIO.H file contains standard input-output functions. String.H file contains all string handling functions. Time.H file contains date and time functions. Assert.H header file. This header file contains all program assertion functions. CType.H header file contains all character type functions. Math.H header file contains mathematical functions. Signal.H file contains signal handling functions. Local.H file contains localization functions. Time.H header file. All time related functions are declared in this header file. Some functions which are declared in this header file are: setDate function. This function is used to modify system date. GetDate function is used to get CPU time. Clock function is used to get current system time. STDIO.H header file. All input-output related functions are declared in this header file. Some of the library functions which are defined in this header file are: printf function. This function is used to print character, string, float and integer values onto the output screen. Scanf function. This function is used to read a character, string, numeric data from keyboard. GetS function. This function reads a line from keyboard. PutS function. This function writes a line to output screen. Math.H header file. All mathematical functions are declared in this header file. Some of the Math.H library functions are: sine function. This function is used to calculate sine value. Cos function. This function is used to calculate cosine. Cos.H function. This function is used to calculate hyperbolic cosine. Tan function. This function is used to calculate tangent. Tan.H function. This function is used to calculate hyperbolic tangent. Using a library function. In the given example, we are finding the square root of number using a library function sqrt, which is defined in math.h header file. So in order to use sqrt function, we are including math.h header file using preprocessor directive #include. Sqrt function takes a variable num as an argument and the value returned by this function is assigned to the variable root. Then the square root of number is printed using printf library function, which is defined in stdio.h header file. Output. Here, the number 12 is entered by the user and the square root of 12, that is 3.46, gets printed on the screen. Thank you for watching the video. and log on to skillsgrow.com for more such courses.